Planning and execution are crucial elements in any woodworking project. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of project planning and execution for woodworking. The first step in any project is to measure and mark the materials accurately. This ensures that the pieces will fit together correctly and that the project will look professional when finished. Always double-check your measurements before cutting or drilling any holes. Next, it's time to cut your pieces to size. Use the appropriate saw for the job, and always make sure that the saw is properly adjusted and sharp before cutting. Take your time and make sure that your cuts are accurate and precise. Sanding is an important step in any project. Use the right grit of sandpaper for the job, and always sand with the grain of the wood. Sanding removes any rough spots and gives the wood a smooth finish. Once the pieces are cut and sanded, it's time to assemble the project. Use the appropriate nails or screws for the job, and always use proper nailing techniques to avoid splitting the wood. Remember, planning and execution are crucial elements in any woodworking project. By taking the time to plan and execute your project correctly, you can create beautiful and functional pieces of woodwork that will last for years to come. Check the description below to learn to create masterpieces in woodworking. Happy woodworking!